Welcome to today's vocabulary lesson. In this video, we are diving into common items you will find in the bathroom. But we are taking it a step further. Not only will you learn the names of these items, but you will also discover useful words that often go hand in hand with them. For example, when you talk about soap, we'll also introduce lather, a word that's commonly used when using soap. By the end of this video, you will not only expand your vocabulary, but also learn practical ways to use these words in daily conversation. Ready? Let's get started. Soap, soap. Lather, lather. It means a white mess that forms when soap mixes with water. Here's an example that uses both words that we just covered. The soap started to lather in her hands. Soap dish, soap dish. Slat, slat. A slat is a thin, narrow strip used in things like furniture. This soap dish has slats to drain water, making it last longer. Shower head, shower head. Adjust, adjust. To change something slightly to improve it or make it fit. He adjusted the shower head to a lower setting. Shower caddy, shower caddy. Organize, organize. To arrange things neatly. She organized her items on the shower caddy. Bath sponge, bath sponge. Ring, ring. To squeeze or twist to remove water from it. After using the bath sponge, make sure to wring it out to remove excess water. Counter, counter. Clutter, clutter. A collection of things lying around in an untidy manner. The counter is covered in clutter, making it look messy. Medicine cabinet, medicine cabinet. Tuck away, tuck away. To keep something in a safe place. I tuck away the extra bandages in the medicine cabinet to keep them out of sight. Shampoo, shampoo. Pump, pump. A device used to force a liquid flow out. A full pump of shampoo is enough to wash hair. Conditioner, conditioner. Soften, soften. To make something less hard or rough. The conditioner softened her hair. Shower gel, shower gel. Apply, apply. To spread or put on a surface. He applied the shower gel to his skin. Shaving cream, shaving cream. Spread, spread. To move something over a surface. He spread the shaving cream on his face. Razor, razor. Shave, shave. To cut hair off the skin using a blade. He shaves his face every morning. Razor refill, razor refill. Replace, replace. To put something new in the place of an old one. He replaced the razor refill after shaving. Electric shaver, electric shaver. Recharge, recharge. To give new energy to something. I need to recharge my electric shaver for use tomorrow. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Brush. Brush. To clean or smooth something with a tool with bristles. She brushes her teeth twice a day. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Squeeze. Squeeze. To press something firmly to force liquid or paste out. He squeezed the toothpaste onto his brush. Mouthwash. Mouthwash. Gargle. Gargle. To rinse the mouth with liquid while making a bubble sound. She gargled with mouthwash after brushing. Deodorant. Deodorant. Mask. Mask. To prevent people from noticing something. Many people use deodorant to mask smell, especially after a workout. Tweezers. Tweezers. Pluck. Pluck. To pull something off or out quickly. She plucked her eyebrows with tweezers. Hairbrush. Hairbrush. Detangle. Detangle. To remove knots from something. He used a hairbrush to detangle his hair. Hairdryer. Hairdryer. Blow dry. Blow dry. To dry and style hair with a dryer. I took a shower and blow dried my hair. Bathtub. Bathtub. Soak. Soak. To stay in liquid for a long time to clean or relax. He soaked in the bathtub for an hour. Shower. Shower. Take a shower. Take a shower. To wash oneself in the shower. She always takes a shower before bed. Shower curtain. Shower curtain. Hang. Hang. To attach something from above so it can move freely. She hung the shower curtain on the rod. Loofah. Loofah. Exfoliate. Exfoliate. To remove dead skin by scrubbing. She used a loofah to exfoliate her skin. Bath mat. Bath mat. Step. Step. To put your foot on or in something. She stepped onto the bath mat to remove excess water. Bathrobe. Bathrobe. Wrap. Wrap. To cover or enclose in soft material. I love wrapping myself in a cozy bathrobe after a shower. Shower cap. Shower cap. Waterproof. Waterproof. Not allowing water to go through. She always wears a waterproof shower cap to keep her hair dry. Bath bomb. Bath bomb. Dissolve. Dissolve. To mix a solid into a liquid so that it becomes part of it. The bath bomb dissolved in the water. Sink. Sink. Rinse. Rinse. To wash with water to remove soap of dirt. He rinsed his hands in the sink. Faucet. Faucet. Turn on and off. Turn on and off. To start or stop flow of water. Turn off the faucet while you're brushing your teeth. Soap dispenser. Soap dispenser. Refill. Refill. To fill something again with more of the same thing. The soap dispenser needs to be refilled. Drain. Drain. Block. Block. To prevent movement through something. The hair blocked the drain in the shower. Towel. Towel. Dry. Dry. To remove moisture or liquid from something. For example, she used a towel to dry her hair. Towel rack. Towel rack. Store. Store. To keep or accumulate something for future use. You can store extra towels on the towel rack for easy access. Mirror. Mirror. Reflect. Reflect. To send back light, heat, or an image. The mirror reflects your face clearly. Face cream. Face cream. Moisturize. Moisturize. To add moisture to something, especially skin. She moisturized her face with the cream. Toilet. Toilet. Flush. Flush. To clean by sending a flow of water. Don't forget to flush the toilet after use. Toilet seat. Toilet seat. Lift. Lift. To move something upwards. He lifted the toilet seat before using it. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Roll. Roll. A cylinder-shaped object. Can you pass me a roll of toilet paper from the cabinet? Toilet paper holder. Toilet paper holder. Empty. Empty. Holding or containing nothing. I was frustrated to find the toilet paper holder empty again. Plunger. Plunger. Unclog. Unclog. To remove something that is blocking a pipe. He used a plunger to unclog the toilet. Toilet brush. Toilet brush. Scrub. Scrub. To clean something by rubbing it hard. She scrubbed the toilet with a brush. Squeegee. Squeegee. Scrape off. Scrape off. To remove something by rubbing an object against it. I use a squeegee to scrape off the soap scum from the shower door. Q-tip. Q-tip. Earwax. Earwax. A yellow sticky substance that forms in the outer ear. I gently use a Q-tip to remove the earwax. Nail clippers. Nail clippers. trim, trim. To cut something to make it tidy. He used nail clippers to trim his nails. Bathroom scale, bathroom scale. Weigh, weigh. To measure the weight of something. She stepped onto the bathroom scale to weigh herself. Stall, stall. Occupied, occupied. Being used by someone. I had to wait because the bathroom stall was occupied. Hand dryer, hand dryer. Palm, palm. The inside part of your hand from your wrist to the base of your fingers. Open your palms towards the hand dryer and let the air push off the water. Bathroom fan, bathroom fan. Ventilate, ventilate. To allow fresh air into a space. The bathroom fan ventilates the room after a shower. And that's it for today's video. Keep practicing and incorporate these words into your daily use. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. Also, rewatching this video can help you get more familiar with these words and how to use them naturally in conversation. Each time you revisit this content, you will strengthen your understanding and improve your retention. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That way, you will get notified of new videos as soon as they're released. Keep building your vocabulary, and we'll see you in the next video.